Hello! In this video, I will create ads for several accounts via Dolphin. First, let's add accounts through the bulk ads section. Enter your selected accounts in the following format: name, access token, user agent, and proxy. Press Data Check. Insert tags. Copy them to other accounts and click Add. Select all accounts and click on Check Token. After checking the token, we accept the rules of Facebook advertising activities. Then we create a fan page. Enter a name for the fan page using Spintax to randomize the name in all groups, and click on Create. Now let's go to the section Cabs. Choose all cabinets and attaching multiple cards. Enter cards here. Choose the right currency for your cabinet, time zone, and we choose the country of the cabinet. Click Continue. We can see that the cards have been assigned to the cabinet. Fill in the pause between the binding of cabinet, and press Attach. The cards have become attached. Go to Create Ads section, Bundles, and create a bundle about which we will post ads on Facebook. Choose Target. Enter the name Bundle, which will be displayed in Dolphin. Click on Show More Options and we can enter the company name that will be displayed on Facebook. Add macros of age and gender. In the future, they will be placed in the campaign name. Enter the campaign budget and randomize it. Choose Bid Strategy and click on Continue. Here we can write the name Ad Set. Select a pixel event, also age, gender, geolocation. Exclude some regions or cities, and the location. Let's pick Placement. Choose on which devices our ads will be shown. Detailed targeting, and we choose languages. Click Continue. Enter the name of our ads, title, which we will randomize with Spintax, and the same with the text. Select the button that will be shown in the ads. Press Create. Our bundle was created. Now go to Ads Manager, Cabs, choose our cabinets in which we will show ads and click Create Ad. Choose our bundle. Click on Show More Options. Here we can edit it, specify the number of campaigns, number of ad sets, specify the time we want our ads to start delivering. We can also add tags to accounts, cabs, campaigns, ad sets, and ads. And assign auto rules. Click Continue. Now we insert the link, enable URL parameters, and add them. Copy the link and parameters to other cabs. We can see that the budget was generated randomly for all the cabinets. Click Continue. Also notice that the text was randomized with Spintax and the same with the title. Add creatives. And click on Create Ad. We're finished. Our advertisement was published on Facebook. Now we can go to Ads Manager and see the status of our cabinets, see what age and gender macros have been added, and also see the status of our ads. We can also go to Facebook and see that our campaign has successfully published and is waiting for moderation. We can see if our targets are listed correctly. As we can see, the advertisement was published in the way it was configured in Dolphin.